Assalamu alaikum and welcome to our first OpenCV tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how can you set up your OpenCV library with Java Eclipse environment. So let's proceed. First of all, you'll have to go to opencv.org, which is the official website of OpenCV library, and you'll have to click on downloads. After that, you'll have to download the version of OpenCV that you have to set up with your Eclipse and Java environment. I suggest you that the time I'm recording this video, version 3.0 is the latest version of OpenCV, but it is still a developer version and it has many bug fixes in it yet. So I suggest to install version 2.4.10, which is the most stable version of OpenCV to date. And for example, you are viewing this video later in future and there is a stable release of OpenCV 3 available. I suggest you to download and use that. So I've already downloaded OpenCV version 2.4.10 and unzipped that file here in my local hard drive. So after that, I'll proceed to my Eclipse and I'll create a new project and so new Java project. We'll name it Setting Up OpenCV. Oh, I beg your pardon, sorry. Setting Up OpenCV, and then I'll just click finish. Here you go, we have a new project named Setting Up OpenCV. After that, I'll create a new class and name it let's say main class, and I'll just click finish. This is the most simple class. After that, I'll copy this simple code which simply tests if OpenCV is installed and configured or not. So you can see this red line which shows error that cannot find a class core. Core is the class which is associated with OpenCV. So now we'll go ahead and set up our OpenCV with our newly created project. So first of all, we'll be going to project properties by either going to the project, right clicking it and clicking properties, or by hitting alt plus enter from our keyboard. So after that, we'll proceed to Java build path and libraries tab, and then we will select add library. Here you go. From here you'll select user library, and then as you can see, I have already configured some libraries for my OpenCV project, but I'll be creating a new library for you to start it from scratch. So I'll click open user libraries button, and then I'll click new. Here you go. Here we will name our OpenCV library. For example, we name it tutorial library. It doesn't matter what name you give to your library, just you'll have to remember that this library means something. So after that, you have to click on add jars, add external jars. Okay, after that you will have to go to the path of OpenCV where you have installed or extracted your OpenCV files that you have downloaded from opencv.org website. Go to this, click on build and click on Java folder. After that, you will have to import this OpenCV-2410 or either your version of OpenCV is .jar file. Here you go, you have got this jar file in your tutorial library. So after that, one more step is remaining, which is native library location. You'll have to click this, click on edit and click on external folder. you'll have once again proceed to your OpenCV directory, click on build, and then click on Java. After that, you will have to know which version of operating system or Windows more specifically you are using. So I'll tell you how to know that. You'll have to go to your computer settings, and here you go, 64-bit operating system. So you will have to know about your processor or operating system, that which operating system you are gonna use. In case of 64-bit, I will be selecting x64. If you have got 32-bit operating system, you will have to select x86. So I'll click OK, and here you go, your library is completely set up. I'll just click OK, and as this library is selected, I'll click finished, and this library is imported into my new project. Next time you have to create a new project and integrate OpenCV in it, you'll just have to go to add library and check that library that you have created. Apply. Okay, here you go. Now you will have the option to import core class, which is a feature of Eclipse, and then I'll save our main class. Here you go, error is gone. And now I will check your my program, which is a simple program which tests the presence of OpenCV, that either it is configured or not. Here you go, welcome to OpenCV, and here is the version of OpenCV that is a feature of core library of OpenCV. So this was the tutorial to set up OpenCV with your Java Eclipse environment, and if you have any question, go ahead and ask me in the comments box below, and I'll be glad to answer them. So till next video, goodbye.